everyone, we're here at the Light Committee Commercial Studio to talk about 3 reasons you, yes you, need professional headshots. So, you're considering getting professional headshots done. It might be why you're watching this. You're correct to think about getting good headshots. Almost any type of career can benefit from it. Mine is obvious, actress. Good headshots are important for most careers. Lawyers, bankers, real estate agents, entrepreneurs, doctors, marketing executives, salespeople, consultants, self-employed people, and on and on and on. Almost everyone has a photo of themselves to use for a company website, for LinkedIn, for social media, and so on. So why are they so important? And why is it equally important to get them professionally done? Reason number 1, self-confidence. For some careers, having a picture of yourself is almost a given, such as real estate agents and lawyers. But there's more to it than just your profession. Having a good professional headshot done for yourself demonstrates you are self-confident. No one looks at a selfie of someone on LinkedIn or other job sites and thinks that that person is self-confident. And there's proof in this. Research shows demonstrable self-confidence is a top 5 trait employers look for in candidates. Studies also show that most people, sadly, lack self-confidence. And that means you can use a good headshot, demonstrating your self-confidence to stand apart from the crowd. In other research, almost 9 out of 10 hiring managers said a selfie is unprofessional for any online resume, and more than half said they would not hire someone who specifically used a selfie. Just don't do it, okay? Reason number 2 is because a professional headshot will definitely stand apart. Most people today opt to take a selfie and call it good. Some people don't even post a photo of themselves for their business or online profile. This isn't good, since it said 75% of us are visual learners. In other words, people will remember 6 times more about your online profile, be it a resume, LinkedIn page, or your own website, if there is a photo to go with it. LinkedIn actually recommends via their blog that people hire a professional photographer for their headshots, for good reason. Beyond that, they definitely look better. Those with a profile photo receive 21 times more profile views than those without, and 36 times more messages. And this brings us to reason number 3. It's because a good photographer will make you look good. A professional photographer has the skills, the gear, and the know-how to bring out the best in your look. The skills matter because there's a lot to know about using a commercial-grade camera and lighting. It's not a smartphone selfie, people. This and this are definitely not the same. That's why the word professional is in front of photographer, to distinguish the difference in skill, knowledge, and the gear used. Also, almost all headshots, or at least a portion of yours, should be done in a studio setting, either as the primary shots you'll use or to complement any environmental shots you want. There you have it, 3 reasons why you should get professional headshots. There are actually many more reasons to get professional headshots. Go to the link in the description to check them out. So get going with those headshots. Build up your self-confidence and chances for getting hired, regardless of your career choice. And don't be shy about it either. A good photographer will make sure the whole process is more than relaxing, that it's fun too. Thanks for watching.